Hit me.
Joe, I'm not kidding.
Hit me. No. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me.
You ducked! I'm sorry, it was a reflex. Oh my God. When a fist comes at your face, you duck. Look. What is the matter with you? You were supposed to duck. Why didn't you duck? Why don't we talk about this on the way to the hospital?
Good. Good. Yeah. Maybe while we're there, they can check your reflexes.
About my new carport.
It looks pretty inside and outside looking. When I look at it, it looks very pretty.
I'm gonna take videos of it.
Ooh. I like your back. I like the back.
Oh, it's got a...
Oh, this is cool. In the
What?
middle, it's cool. Wow.
What?
Come in here.
What?
The back looks beautiful.
Looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Hold on, I don't know how to open the back.
Is there a back button?
Oh, wait, no. Do you see one?
Is that the back button?
No. I'm trying to figure out how I would open the back of the car. It shows that it's locked. Nice as hell out.